Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO. This video will help you enable AMS machine-generated transcriptions. Transcription is the process to convert speech or audio into a written text document. Azure Media Service = AMS provides cloud-based media workflow platform to index, protect and stream high-definition videos. VIDIZMO offers Azure Media Services AMS to generate automatic transcriptions for digital assets using artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithms. Only administrators and managers can enable AMS transcriptions. To enable AMS transcription, click on the navigation bar and select Control Panel. From Encoding, select Encoding Providers. You can select AMS Standard Encoder as your encoding provider to allow indexing of media assets using AMS, and then you can update your encoding provider. From Encoding Profile under the Encoding tab, you can activate AMS Encoder transcoding and transcription by turning on Azure Audio and Video Indexer. You can allow transcriptions for audio and video files. You can also add new encoding profiles to your portal as per your organizational needs. Watch Adding New Encoding Profiles video to learn about a new encoding profile. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO. Stay tuned until next time.